polynomial long division, this numerator is going to be divided by this denominator. And one thing you have to be careful of when you're writing down the terms for the expression under the division symbol is that you have a placeholder for each exponent. So we've got an exponent of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and x to the 0, or the constant term. So there's nothing missing there. But if there was no x squared term, for example, then you would put plus 0x squared as a placeholder, just in case you had an x squared term when you multiplied and got this answer down here. So what we want to do is take x cubed into negative 3x to the 5th to get the first term of the dividend, which is this term right here. So this is what you're visualizing, negative 3x to the 5th divided by that x cubed, the leading term of the divisor, leaves you with 2 of the factors of x canceling out, or 3 of the factors of x canceling out, leaving you negative 3x squared. And now you take that negative 3x squared times every term of the divisor and write it underneath. And in this case, there's no missing exponents here, 3, 2, 1, 0, or constant terms. So everything's going to line up just fine. And as you multiply these, you have to pay attention to the signs. And now different teachers will tell you what to do at this point differently. I do not like to change the signs of these terms below. I like to do that mentally. We're subtracting this entire polynomial here from the one above it. So that means mentally you're going to change every sign and then add it to the term above it. So negative 3x to the 5th plus 3x to the 5th is 0, x to the 5th, which is why this is blank. And if this doesn't end up with a 0 in front of it, then this term wasn't correct. Change the sign on the minus 18x to the 4th to plus 18. Add the term to the term above it, you get 29x to the 4th. Plus, this will be a minus 9 mentally. So 33x cubed minus 9x cubed leaves 24x cubed, and so on. After you've completed the subtraction, then you bring down the next term and repeat the process. So now I'm going to divide x cubed into 29x to the 4th. Again, this is what you're visualizing. 29x to the 4th divided by x cubed. 3 of the factors of x cancel out, and I get 29x, which is where this came from. Now I take the 29x times each term of the divisor, write it underneath the previous polynomial, change the signs. I'm subtracting this entire polynomial from the one above it. And I won't go through term by term, but you'll see that I get all of this to here, and then I bring down the negative 6 and repeat the process. X cubed, and now negative 150 x cubed leaves me negative 150. Take that negative 150 times every term of the divisor. Change the signs of the polynomial that you're subtracting. Again, mentally is my suggestion. And this is the remainder right here. 946x squared minus 341x minus 756. This x cubed no longer goes into x squared. That's why we say this is the remainder. And we can say plus the remainder over the divisor. So if we called this a function, like f of x equals that thing that I just circled in red, this would be the same function. I'll just use the letter g. It will give you the same exact values for any number that you substituted for x. Okay, I'm going to stop recording. There you go.